Why Igbo are different from other tribes. They are very humble. See how Alex Ikwechegh, a member of the House of Representatives, apologized for assaulting Stephen Abuwatseya, a Bolt driver. I deeply regret it. Abia Rep apologizes for assaulting Bolt driver. Ikwechegh, a member of the All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA, made headlines for slapping and hurling insults at Abuwatseya. In a viral video, Ikwechegh is seen in a heated exchange with the driver, whom he accused of disrespect for asking him to approach the car to receive his package. The incident occurred on October 27 in the Maitama district of Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, FOC Police Command had said. Ikwechegh was in its custody for questioning. In a statement issued on Tuesday, the lawmaker representing Aba North, or South Federal Constituency of Abia State, said he regrets his actions. What began as a misunderstanding escalated into actions and remarks I deeply regret, which do not reflect the values and character I strive to uphold, both as a citizen and as a representative of the people, the statement reads. I sincerely apologize for my words and actions during this incident. I recognize the distress and frustration this has caused citizen Abuwatseya, his family, and the public at large. As a public servant, I understand the weight of my role and how my words can impact others. The lawmaker said he and Abuwatseya have explored alternative dispute resolution methods to address this issue and have reached a respectful resolution, which I am committed to following through. The legislator also apologized to Kayode Egbetoken, the Inspector General of Police, for the unintended disparagement his remarks may have caused to him. I reaffirm my respect for the Nigerian police force and the Inspector General's commitment to maintaining law and order, he said. Additionally, I extend my sincere apologies to the leadership and members of this House and the National Assembly as a whole for any deficit in goodwill this incident may have caused. I am aware that my actions reflect not only on myself, but also on this esteemed institution and the trust that the public places in us. This incident has been a humbling reminder of the necessity for restraint and self-control, especially in challenging circumstances. I sincerely apologize for any pain or discomfort my actions may have caused, and I am committed to learning from this experience to grow into a better citizen and a more empathetic representative of the people. This experience is particularly disheartening given my recent achievements in constituency engagement, including many interventions in health, agriculture, education, and economic empowerment for my people. It is a teachable moment, not only for me, but also for many in the political sphere, as we are held to higher standards of conduct and rhetoric, even under provocation. Ikwechegh added that he is committed to using this as an opportunity for growth and as a call to be better and do better. The Igbo people, an ethnic group from southeastern Nigeria, are known for their rich cultural heritage and values. Among these values, humility stands out as a defining characteristic of the Igbo identity. Cultural significance. In Igbo culture, humility is highly esteemed and considered essential for personal and communal growth. The Igbo proverb, "Egbe beer, Yugo beer," where there is humility, there is progress, underscores the importance of humility in achieving success. Traditional practices. 1. Respect for elders. Igbo people show deep respect to their elders, greeting them with reverence and seeking their guidance. 2. Community service. Igbo communities prioritize collective well-being, with individuals contributing to the common good without seeking recognition. 3. Honesty. Igbo people value modesty, avoiding ostentation and instead embracing simplicity. Notable Igbo figures. 1. Chinua Achebe. The renowned author's works, such as Things Fall Apart, reflect Igbo values, including humility. 2. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria, an Igbo man, exemplified humility in leadership. In conclusion, the Igbo people's emphasis on humility has fostered a strong sense of community, resilience, and progress. By embracing humility, the Igbo continue to thrive and make meaningful contributions to Nigerian society.